Welcome to an overview of the features and functions of EOP Assist. This is the first of 3 tutorials on how to use the REMS TA Center's software application for developing high-quality school emergency operations plans, or EOPs. In this tutorial, we will review the layout of the application as well as how to log in, log out, and change your password. This tutorial will be provided from the perspective of a school-level user. Please see the third tutorial, Using EOP Assist as an Administrator, for information on how to use this application as a school or district administrator. Before you can access EOP Assist, IT personnel at your district or school must first download and install the software on a local server at your district or school, and then provide you with a URL and login credentials to access the application. This URL should bring you to the login screen that you see before you. Each time you open the URL to view EOP Assist, you will be presented with this login screen. At that time, you must enter your user ID and password. If you do not have login credentials, need to reset your password, or have any other trouble accessing EOP Assist, please contact your school or district administrator. The REMS TA Center does not have the ability to reset your password since this software application is hosted locally by your school or district. To log in, fill the required fields and select the Sign In button. After signing in, you will arrive at the home page of the application. EOP Assist is organized into 5 or 6 sections depending on your user role. Each section is displayed at the top of your screen in a dark gray ribbon. This is the navigation bar, which allows you to navigate through the various features of EOP Assist, including Home, My Account, Calendar, Planning Process, and My EOP. If you're logging in as a school or district administrator, you will also see the Users section. Right now, we are in the Home or Getting Started section of EOP Assist. This section provides useful background information on how to use EOP Assist. Next, let's take a look at My Account, which allows you to change your user ID or password. This can be done by clicking the links in green. Next, let's look at the Calendar feature. School emergency management planning is an ongoing effort that is reinforced through regularly scheduled planning meetings. The Calendar feature will help you schedule meetings and create reminders and notifications to support the team's planning process. Now let's turn our attention to the planning process. This is where the bulk of content in EOP Assist is located. It's also where you enter and save data that will populate your school EOP. The planning process is divided into 6 steps, 1 for each step in the federally recommended 6-step process for developing a school EOP. Notice the Back and Next buttons on the lower right corner of the page. These buttons allow you to navigate through the planning process, page by page, and will allow you to view all pages within each step of the planning process. As you can see, selecting Next will take us to the second page in Step 1, Identify a Core Planning Team. Now take a look at the different tabs across the top of the screen. Each of these tabs is dedicated to a different step in the planning process. Selecting a tab will allow you to navigate between steps in the planning process. You may navigate throughout the planning process in any order, and you can visit and revisit tabs and pages in any order at any time while EOP Assist saves your work. A more efficient way to navigate between different steps and pages within the planning process is to use the Slide Out menu. This is accessible via the menu icon on the top left side of the screen. This feature allows users to quickly navigate directly to any page within the Home, Getting Started, and Planning Process sections. Please note the File Cabinet icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Selecting the icon will open the Resource Toolkit, a feature within the planning process that contains page-specific guidance, resources, and examples to help users develop their school EOPs. Next, let's look at EOP Assist's My EOP feature, which allows you to export your school EOP. Selecting the blue Download button will allow you to download, view, save, edit, and review your plan as a Microsoft Word document. The last feature that we'll showcase in this tutorial is the Logout button. It can be found on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Please note that EOP Assist also has an automatic logout after 5 minutes of inactivity. To exit the application, click Log Out and then click Log Out again. You will then return to the Login screen that you saw at the beginning of this tutorial. This concludes our brief tutorial on the layout of EOP Assist, as well as how to log in, log out, and change your password. Thank you for your attention during this tutorial. Please refer to the second tutorial, Creating a School EOP with EOP Assist, a focus on the planning process, or the third tutorial, Using EOP Assist as an Administrator, to enhance your experience in and familiarity with using EOP Assist to develop and revise your school EOP. Additionally, please do not hesitate to contact the REMS TA Center for any questions regarding the features and functions of EOP Assist, or for guidance on how to use this application to develop a school EOP.